I'm in the fruit orchard getting ready to thin the fruits because, good news, we have so much fruit, I need to thin it, and I should have done it when the blooms were still on so that all the energy is not going into producing all the fruits because there's so many fruits covered. Last year, the fruit trees bloomed February 17th, and then we got a freeze and lost all the blooms, which was a drag. So we had no fruit last year. But this year, we didn't get the freeze. It didn't bloom until March, the second week of March, and it's been really happy. If we're gonna get a freeze still, right now it's April 11th, if we get a freeze, then I'm gonna run a sprinkler and keep water on them throughout the night, and that will keep them from freezing, which I could have done that last year. Live and learn. Okay, so I wanted to show you what these little fruits look like. They're super cute. So we got this little guy, you can see right here. Let me see, where's one that's got like the flower on it? Here we go. Up here, a little bit of the flower still on that one, on the tip. You can see the ovary coming out, the little fruits. It's such an amazing process. I just love it. It's so cool to watch. I don't know, there's just nothing like growing food. So we have the peaches doing good, the apples doing good, the plums are covered. The plums look really different. I would walk you over and show you, but I don't want to make you go on a walk right now. So that's what the fruit trees look like right now. Then I'm going to thin them, give them 6 inches space to grow, and spray Kaolin Clay on them to protect them from the Japanese beetle and the birds. Hopefully that'll help ward them off. And fertilize, and fingers crossed everything's gonna produce beautiful fruits.